Novation means to replace or substitute. In contract language, when contract is novated, both parties agree that responsibilities and obligations of one party are transferred from the original signee to the third party. However, there are four elements of novation. Number one, the existence of previously valid contract. There has to be a valid contract already. Number two, the agreement of the parties to cancel the first contract. Number three, the agreement of the parties that the second contract replaces the first. And lastly, the validity of the second contract. So, in novation, second contract replaces the first contract. Third party replaces the party in a contract. And the first contract is cancelled by the second contract, and the old obligation is novated by the new obligation settled and agreed between the parties. So novation is a change, is the replacement in a contract. In short, we may say that novation literally means to replace with a new contract, and the same obligations are performed by different parties.